Shakka Docs of Charly Block's team Unstoppable passed away as a result of a motor vehicle crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Upcoming dancehall entertainer Shakka Docs, a member of the recording artist Charly Block team Unstoppable crew, passed away as a result of injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle crash in Arrocabessa St. Mary on Thursday. The 26-year-old was known for singles such as Shop the Food, Nah Let Go, Papa P, and Make It Out Ya. Reports from the police are that there was a collision between a minibus and a Toyota motor car in which Shakka Docs, whose real name is Jamari Jones, was traveling. The incident occurred on the Arrocabessa Main Road minutes before 3 a.m. on Thursday. Firefighter had to free Shakka Docs from the wreckage as he was reportedly trapped for several minutes inside the motor car. He was rushed to hospital, but he succumbed to his injuries. 4 other people were reportedly injured in the crash. Fans posted crying emojis online after news spread of his passing, and a number of them have sent condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.